If you're looking for Black+Decker push lawn mowers, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Black+Decker push lawn mowers. Number 1, most popular, by Black+Decker. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Black+Decker. Number 3. For more details about these push lawn mowers products, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Black+Decker. Find these Black+Decker push lawn mowers at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Black+Decker. Number 9. Discover more Black+Decker push lawn mowers ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.